Hey guys, welcome back. Unboxing with Scott. So today we are actually checking out this locked-in fuel door. So this is for our Jeep Wrangler. It says that it fits. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. Let's see if it fits. All right guys, this is it. So what I always do, and it could be just paranoid, I always like to put the keys in first to test it out. And these are a little frustrating because the metal kind of goes over a little weird, so you kind of got to like wiggle it and then do that. So let's make sure it turns and locks and unlocks here. Set the key off to the side, drop this one in here. All right, that's it. So you don't have to lock it when you put it on, you just have to lock it when you take it off. So for example, it's already locked, you can't take it off now without the key. So you go ahead and you take your key, put it in. Now you're gonna want to hold it. So I'm doing this with one, actually no, here we go. Let's do this. So you're gonna hold it with one hand and you're going to turn the key with the other, and then you just simply twist it off like that. And then you take the key out and then you can just twist it back on and it automatically locks in place just like that. So yeah, it works. So this is a 2013 Jeep. You get it, guys, go give you a little clip of the Jeep. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Works good, guys. Just a rule of thumb, always keep this. This is your stock, so if you ever have issues, sometimes you can have problems with you know, back pressure issues with aftermarket gas caps, so keep that just in case you need it.